Thank you. Like this, right? Easiest is just pull like here, pull a bit here, and then see. And if it's warm, it will shake to the foot. And you can put 3 minutes. I'll explain to you, my friend.